Good day to you. Kindly tell something about yourself.
Good day to you, ma'am, sir. I'm Imelda Garcias, 32 years old, single, and I finished my studies with in associate in hotel and management restaurant.
Okay, so have you ever experienced working as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. I experienced in United Arab Emirates. I took care of 2 kids.
Okay, what are their ages?
The first one is 3-year-old, and the second one is 3 months.
Okay, so can you tell us how can you take care of the children?
I preparing them foods, ma'am. Give them their needs, and then I teach them on how to write and read, and I take them a bath.
Okay, so play with them, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so aside from taking care of little children, what are your other household chores?
I clean their house. I wash their clothes, ironing.
Okay, how about cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you willing to finish your 2 years contract in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am. I'm very much willing.
Okay, so what is your main reason why you want to work in Hong Kong?
The reason, ma'am, is I need to support my family needs.
Okay, very good. So finally, can you give us your message to your future employer?
Ma'am, please give me a chance to work with you. I promise to follow the rules and regulations you impose, and to be nice with you.
Okay, very good. I hope that you will be hired in Hong Kong very soon. So before we end this interview, kindly show us your very best smile. Thank you very much.